Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where we explore chunks of Scottish history. This time I'm in the Torphichen Preceptory, which was the medieval headquarters of the Order of St. John, or as we know it as the Knights Hospitallers. Scotland. Land of locks and secret spots, like Torphichen Preceptory here, where the Knights Hospitaller of St. John hung their helmets since 1153. Let's snoop around their old Scottish hound and dig up some tales from the past. The Order of Knights Hospitaller, also revered as the Order of St. John, traces its noble origins back to 1023, originally established in Jerusalem. The order was a beacon of hope, providing care to weary pilgrims in the Holy Land. With the advent of the First Crusade, they transformed into a valorous military order, dedicated to defending the faith and offering unmatched care to the ailing and destitute. And just like these historical superheroes, I'm embarking on my own kind of pilgrimage for a noble cause. On the 10th of May, I start my walk along the John Muir Way, journeying from Dunbar to Helensburgh. My goal? To complete this trek in 5 days, with every step supporting 2 incredible Edinburgh charities. All donations from this walk will directly benefit these local causes, helping to make a real difference. Want to find out more or get involved? Check out the link in the description below and join me in making history for a good cause. Imagine stepping back in time in 1153, smack in the heart of Scotland, at a place bustling with the clanking of armor and the soft murmur of prayers. Welcome to Torphichen Preceptory. Gifted by David I of Scotland, this spot became the Scottish home of Knights Hospitaller of St. John. Not just your average knight, but real medieval multitaskers, part warriors, part medics. So here I am, wandering through what's left of their once thriving headquarters. And it's not hard to picture it alive with action. Think of it as a medieval version of superhero base, where knights who could swing a sword as well, they could bandage a wound. These knights were the real deal. By day, they'd be out there shields up defending the land, and by night, they switch gears, tending to weary and wounded. The ruins around whisper stories of those days, of battles fought and life saved, all within these walls. Each corner of this preceptory, from the grand arches that might have echoes with orders, to the quiet nooks perhaps once used for healing, seems to hold a tale. It's as the stones themselves are eager to share secrets of the past. From the clank of blacksmiths, a hammer, to gentle drip of a healing potion. And just when you think you heard all the tales, you stumble upon a faded crest of a mysterious inscription that hints at yet another untold story, making you wonder about the knight who might have lived here. Was he the brave type, charging headfirst into battle, or the thoughtful healer, whose swordmanship was matched only by his compassion? As I trace the outlines of this ancient site with my camera, I'm not just capturing images, I'm piecing together a puzzle of the past, where every stone and shadow tells a story of heroism and humanity intertwined. Laughing a little at the quirks of medieval life, marveling at the legacy of these knights. Because really, who wouldn't want to hear about a knight who might have had to chase down his own escaped horse in full armor? I'd like to thank the local members of Order of St. John for today's opportunity to fly and film. And a big thank you to you for watching this video. And until next time, please don't forget to share, subscribe or like the video. Thank you.